we spend our last few days in Key West, chilling poolside and celebrating Mom's B-Day before heading back to our hometown. We fly out of the Key West International Airport and head home for the holidays. Spend a week in Pennsylvania jamming, catching up with friends, and celebrating Christmas.
Who's your little friend?
Gabrielle. He just got up after a long nap.
How are you doing?
Good. The grind don't stop.
Another day in paradise.
Alright. We're back in where the rudder post comes through the bottom of the boat here. I have a new bushing. I just started putting it on now. But it is going down.
Actually, our last day in paradise. Well, for a week, and then we're coming back. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. Right, Ethan?
It's Mom's birthday.
Yep. Happy birthday, Mom. We're gonna celebrate big tonight. Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mom. I love you.
Love you.
Howard/Robert.
4:43. I am beat. We're wrapping up on Coco right now, and then taking an Uber to the airport, where we will fly out of here for a week. Ethan, how do you feel about this right now?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Bye, Coco. Be back soon. We just got through security. Now we're going to find our seats and wait for our plane to arrive.
First stop, Miami. We are leaving. Next time I'm outside, I won't be wearing short sleeves. Guys, we just landed. On to the next flight.
Miami to Philly, here we come.
Close the door of the aircraft. We'll be on the way to Philadelphia.
Goodbye, warm weather. We're gonna miss you. in Philadelphia. It says it's gonna be 30 degrees or something like that, so better stay warm. Our ride is here.
I get hurt. You made it. You made it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good to see you.
That last flight was a bit rocky. Right now, we're going back to my Grammy's house. Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
And I am missing this.
We'll see him again soon. Haven't seen snow in a long time, guys.
Guess the song.
I'll give you a hint. It is in this video somewhere. Welcome to the jam room. Serious stuff goes down in here. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Wait, he's just excited.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We're gonna be opening these two gifts from Grammy.
From Grammy and Poppy. And Poppy.
And Poppy.
And Poppy. It was not intentional.
Oh my god.
Wow, it's a recording song.
Yes, it comes with a microphone, a cable for the microphone.
Wow. There's Poppy's first guitar right back there. How much was your first guitar?
$25.
Wow.
And it's worth about $5.
Last day in PA, guys. We're leaving tomorrow at 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, we're just saying our final goodbyes right now to everyone. Tomorrow, going back to Key West. Tommy! We're gonna miss you, man! Peace out. See you, Brad. I love you, Brad. Tell Carter I said goodbye. I said bye to Carter. I'm just confirming that. Just a second goodbye is always necessary. This is it, guys. Tomorrow morning. Very early morning. Alright. See you guys tomorrow.